Birds possess a magnetic sense that allows them to detect the Earth's magnetic field for navigation. Specialized receptors in birds' eyes and beaks contain magnetite, a magnetic mineral. These receptors send signals to the brain, providing directional information based on the magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field lines vary in inclination and intensity, providing birds with a magnetic map. Magnetic anomalies can disorient birds, highlighting the importance of a stable magnetic field for navigation. Many bird species navigate using celestial bodies as natural compasses. During the day, birds use the sun's position relative to time to determine direction. Nocturnal migrants recognize constellations and their movements to navigate at night. When the sky is overcast, birds may become disoriented and rely on other navigational cues. Birds use visual landmarks, such as mountains, rivers, and coastlines to guide their migration. Migratory birds memorize routes based on visual landmarks to stay on course. Some birds use their sense of smell to detect odors associated with breeding or wintering grounds for navigation. Altering or destroying familiar landmarks can disrupt bird migration routes, emphasizing the importance of environmental conservation.